Now, this miraculous Peruvian superfood SACHA INCHI is loaded with the highest amount of omega-3 concentration of any food on earth. It contains all 8 essential amino acids, and it's easily digested and highly nutritious for overall health and vitality. Now, a study published in the Journal of Agriculture and Food Chemistry in 2002 found that SACHA INCHI powder is unusually high in tryptophan, an amino acid essential to the production of serotonin, a nervous system chemical involved in regulating appetite. SACHA INCHI is a plant native to the area surrounding the Amazon River that produces a star-shaped looking fruit. SACHA INCHI also contains vitamin A and E, and it's considered to be a superfood because of its excellent nutritional profile. Now, it's ideal for vegetarians and those who are not consuming sufficient omega-rich fish and vegetables in their diet. It offers similar benefits to omega-rich fish oil, but without the strong fish odor or the taste. SACHA INCHI protein powder, or just the powder, provides many of the same benefits as omega-3, 6, and 9, and vitamin A and E. Now, despite its long history of use as a food, SACHA INCHI has never been the focus of scientific studies. In fact, there are very few scientific studies on it. And I'm going to tell you about a research study conducted on the potential health benefits. Preliminary research indicates that SACHA INCHI benefits people with elevated cholesterol levels. Now, a pilot study published in the Peruvian journal Revista Peruviana de Medicina Experimental y Salud published in 2011 a study where researchers assigned 24 people with high cholesterol to 4 months of treatment with varying doses of SACHA INCHI oil. Although results revealed that SACHA INCHI oil appeared to have beneficial effects on cholesterol levels, the study's authors noted that more research needed to be conducted in order to evaluate the efficacy and the safety of SACHA INCHI. In another small study, though, adults took sunflower oil rich in linoleic acid and SACHA INCHI oil, about 10 to 15 milliliters a day for about 4 months. At the end of the study, the total cholesterol, the LDL cholesterol, and blood pressure were lowered with both SACHA INCHI and sunflower oil. Those who took SACHA INCHI oil also had a higher HDL cholesterol level at 4 months. Now, LDL is a bad cholesterol and HDL is a good cholesterol, just so that we get that clear. The most frequent side effect of both oils was nausea, which pretty much lessened over time. Oh, and get this, SACHA INCHI oil, it can also be used in cosmetic applications. Isn't that cool? It acts as a binding that lathers the agents in soap, and it helps to moisturize and protect the skin and to give your hair that glossy look. Sounds like a must-have in my kitchen and in my bathroom. SACHA INCHI isn't easily found on the market just yet, though. I don't even think you can get it in stores. So take note of these lessons that I'm sharing with you, because it will come handy in the weeks to come.